Okay, dose proportion to the surface area. By using surface area we can also calculate the dose for child. Okay, as like body weight, by using body weight and age. Okay, child dose can calculate according to surface area. It's more satisfactory and complicated than method dose based on age. This surface area proportion to surface area, this method is very satisfactory, right, as compared to age age method. Okay, but it's quite complicated than age method, because age method is a quite simple, right? There is a division and multiplication of some digit. After that we will get a dose, right? There is also, but in case of surface area, there is a some something we have to find out first, right? This is surface area, this S and A, right? Surface area. So for surface area, percent of adult dose, then surface area of child, and surface area of adult into 100. This is the formula, that is dose proportion to surface area, right? By using surface area we can use this formula, right? So for this calculation, we need the adult percent of adult dose, right? We can find calculate the percent of adult dose, then surface area of child, then surface area of adult, right? We need three things: one, second, and third. Okay, so it is satisfactory. It gives a satisfactory dose result. Okay, but sometime it's more complicated, right? More complicated to find out these things, right? That's why generally this formula are used, right? So for this formula we can follow this table, right? So there is, so see, there is a something determination of child dose from the adult dose on the basis of body surface area. On the basis of body surface area we can calculate the child dose from adult dose, right? So there is some column here: serial number, weight, approximatory surface area in square meter, then approximatory percentage of adult dose, right? So there is a various kind of weight of patient, right? 2 kg, 4 kg, 6, 8, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, so on. Okay, so this is also some constant digit which is already calculated here, that is surface area. That's why we not need to find out the surface area of patient. Then percent of adult dose, there is also already calculated here, right? So for, if suppose patient have a 2 kg or a 2 kg, right, that time we can use this surface area for him. Okay, that is 0.15, and the percent dose of adult dose, that time we can take it 9, right? Take it, right? Means 2 kg patient, the surface area of him 0.15, and adult, the percent adult dose is 90. By using this table we can easily find out the child dose, right, or adult dose also, along with for the elder patient, right? So this table is very important. Okay, then after that there is a topic, that is veterinary doses. Veterinary means relating to the animals, right? Relating to the animals. So Pharmacist having a compounding or dispensing knowledge of all medicines, whether it is for human beings or animal, right? It is a very necessary that the pharmacist have a thorough knowledge regarding the compounding and dispensing all kind of medicines, whether it is used for human beings or animal also, right? Animals along with human beings also need a medicines for treating any kind of disease whatever they have, right? So pharmacist have a thorough knowledge whether it is veterinarian or for human being. Okay, the dose required for animal are higher side than for human beings. Because of this the because of this, the dose of animals are calculated on the basis of their surface area and body weight, right? Surface area and body weight. We know animals are bigger than human beings, right? With the height, weight and surface area also, right? That's why animals required a higher dose, right? Higher dose for treating their diseases, right? As compared to animals, right? Because animals have a human beings, then human beings, because human beings have a small surface area, then body weight, right? Also height. Okay, that's why human beings need a small dose for their treatment, right? So there is also some factors which is generally influence the or affect the doses or drugs for producing a desired pharmacological actions, right? As like human beings, right? As we studied already in this factor. Okay, this factor influencing the dose in human being. Okay, we already seen it. Okay, so factor influencing the doses of drug in animal. So first is age, sex, body weight and size, time of administration, route of administration, then environmental conditions, habits, rate of elimination, the effect of drugs, then purpose of medications, then species, then character of drug. Okay, so we will discuss this one by one. Okay, so let's begin. First is age. How the age affect the dose of drug, right? Or how the affect the age, how the age affect to action of drug in animals, right? So young animal required a less dose than adult dose, right? Young animal required a less dose than adult one, because susceptibility reason of young animal, right? Young animals means newborn animals or the small animals, right? Small in age, not in size. Small in age or size, also body weight, right? Always young animals need a lesser dose, right, for achieving the desired action or treating the particular diseases, right, than the adult animal, right? Adult animals means the bigger animals, means bigger in with age. Okay, or body weight, body surface, right? Because young animals susceptible, more susceptible than adult, right? So there is a simple meaning of susceptible means lack of ability to resist something. Means suppose one adult animal need a 1000 mg drug for treating particular, that time we can't prescribe the 1000 mg drug to the animal patient, right? To the young animal, because they have no ability to resist the higher dose, right? Hence various severe effect can be formed if we prescribe the adult dose to the young animal. Okay, so there is influence of also doses, right? So as like that is a second is sex. Then also female animal require less dose than male animal, right? Always female animal need a less dose than male animal, because many drugs are contraindicated to the pregnant animal and may cause abortion, right? Because various kind of drugs are contraindicated to the female animals, right? That is female pregnant animal, because that contraindicated drug can causes the abortion, right? Then body weight and size. The dose for animal is depend on their body weight and size, right? Body weight and size. So animal having a less body weight, they require a less dose, right? Or animal has a higher body weight, then need to prescribe a high dose. Okay, means according to body weight and size we can prescribe the dose, right? The dose for animal is depend on their body weight and size. The size of animals are varies according to their breeds, right? According to their breeds, the size and surface area of animals are different. Okay, like dogs are different size and shape, right, or weight than any other animals. Okay, so there is one example, that is in case of dogs, heavy breed can tolerate some drug but lighter breed cannot. Okay, means there is a breed, means प्रजाति, जिसे प्रजाति कहा जाता है, जाति, ठीक है, breed, that is higher breed can better tolerate the drug, but the lighter breed can't tolerate it. Okay, this is the example of body weight and size. Okay, then time of administration. Little dose of drug is more effective if taken in the empty stomach than full stomach. We all know the small dose are more effective in case of empty stomach, right? In case of empty stomach, the small dose can produce a more effect than a foodie stomach, right, or food stomach, right? In presence of food, higher dose required for producing the more effect. Okay, but in empty stomach we can use little dose for producing a more effect, right? Hence there is a responsible, means there is a changing of time, right? That is hence time of administration. Hence time of administration of a drug considered to achieve a desired effect, right? For the achieving a desired effect, we need to take a drug before meal, that is in empty stomach, right? If you need a small effect or less effect, that time we will take a drug after meal. Okay, so there is an example of time of administration. That purgative is more effective in empty stomach. See, purgative drug is more effective in empty stomach, right? So there is example of meaning of purgative, that is remove unwanted waste from body. The drug which remove the unwanted waste, right, fecal matter or unwanted waste from our body are called as purgative, right? Purgative is more effective in empty stomach, right, for achieving the removing the unwanted material, right? In case of foodie stomach, purgative does not work properly. Okay, then route of administration. The dose of drug changes with its route of administration. Parenteral preparation having in small dose, given in small dose, then oral preparation. Also route of administration plays a very important role for changing the effect of dose or drug, right? See how we know that parenteral dose is small than the oral dose. In case of oral dose, if we take a 500 mg oral dose, that time in similar doses drug, if we have given parenteral route, that time we use a small dose, right?